Hello everyone. So today we're going to simplify the concept of OEE. OEE is nothing but overall equipment effectiveness. It is a key metric for the manufacturing department. Okay, it is one of the most critical metric for the manufacturing department. So we're going to explain the definition of OEE, the fundamentals behind OEE, how to calculate OEE, what is the history behind OEE, and what are the different time aspects that are involved in OEE, like available time, productive time, effective time, performance loss time, quality loss time. And we are also going to explain the fundamentals of 16 major losses involved in OEE. So we are going to explain all these things in our today's video. So first of all, we need to understand that what is the definition of OEE. So OEE is nothing but overall equipment effectiveness. It measures how effectively a machine or process performs compared to its full potential. Now, in a manufacturing machine shop, you have shaft line, you have cell production line, you have bearing housing production line. Okay, you have different machines like drilling machine is there, CNC turning lathe is there, grinding machine is there, vertical turret lathe is there. So many critical machines are there. So you can find out OE for individual machines. You can find out OE for the individual line like shaft production line, bearing housing production line, cell production line. You can find out OE for that. And you can also find out OE for the entire machine shop department. You can find out OE for the entire manufacturing department as well. So it helps you to find out how well is your department performing compared to its full potential. Now, for an example, if a machine is planned for 8 hours, but it has produced good parts only for the 5 hours effectively, then so OE basically identifies the hidden enemies that is involved in your department. It helps to find out why there is loss in productivity. What are the hidden enemies which is restricting you to perform to its full potential? So OE helps to find out that. So that's why it is a critical key performance indicator for your manufacturing department. Now, we need to understand that why OE matters. So OE helps to improve the productivity, because if you can know the hidden enemies which is basically restricting you to perform to its full potential, then you can improve your efficiency, you can improve your productivity. It reduces the downtime, it minimizes the defects, and it increases the manufacturing efficiency. For all these reasons, OE should be measured, and it is a key metric by which you can find out how well is your department performing. Now, we need to understand the formula for OE. The formula for OE is basically, it is the multiplication of three things, that is availability, performance efficiency, and quality efficiency. So if the availability is suppose 90%, performance efficiency is 95%, and quality efficiency is 98%, the OE basically 83.79%. That is how OE is calculated. But what is the basic fundamentals behind availability, how it is calculated, what is the definition of performance efficiency, performance loss time, quality loss time, how it is calculated? All these things we're going to explain in this today's video. This video will be a one-stop solution for you to learn and master the fundamentals of OE so that you can do it by yourself for your own department. Now, we need to understand the various times that are involved in the journey of OEE. So first of all, there is total time. If your shift is 8 hours, normally the shift is 8 hours, so that is equal to 480 minutes, because 8 into 60, that is equal to 480 minutes. Now, available time is equal to total time minus the planned downtime. Planned downtime is what? There are basically 30 minutes lunch time normally, and 15 minutes is basically tea break time. So 1 hour is gone, so total 60 minutes gone. So total time minus planned downtime, that is equal to available time. So 480 minus 60, that is equal to 420 minutes. That is your available time. Now, available time minus unplanned downtime, that is your running time or operating time. Now, unplanned downtime is what? If there is some sudden stoppages of the machine, sudden breakdown. So it is basically comes under unplanned downtime, because it is not already planned. It has happened in unplanned way. So if it is suppose it is 60 minutes. So 420 minus 60, that is equal to 360 minutes. That is your running time or operating time. Now, running time or operating time minus performance loss time, that is your productive time. Suppose performance loss time is 60 minutes. So 360 minus 60, that is equal to 300 minutes. That is your productive time. Now, what is the fundamentals of performance loss time? That I will explain in this video itself. Now, productive time is your 300 minutes. Now, productive time minus quality loss time, that is your effective time. Suppose quality loss time is basically your 60 minutes. So 240 minutes will be your effective time, because 300 minus 60, that is equal to 140. So effective time is 240 minutes. Now, what is the fundamentals behind quality loss time? That also I will explain in this video. Now, so what is the total lost time? That is equal to available time minus effective time. So 420 was my available time minus effective time, that is equal to 240 minutes. So lost time equal to 180 minutes. That is 3 hours lost time is there. So that is how it is being calculated. Okay. These are the different times available to find out the performance of any department through OE calculation. So all these times will be helpful for you to learn and master the fundamentals behind OE. That's why I have explained all these things in so details with proper examples I have made you understand. Okay. Now, so hello, this is Surajit Banerjee, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. Now, recently I have launched this book that is basically Untold story of Lean Six Sigma. This book will be a one-stop solution for you to learn and master the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. I have given so many examples and case studies throughout this book that this book will be a one-stop solution to learn and master the fundamentals of Lean Six Sigma. This book is available in Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere it is available. You can go and check this book. We are getting very good reviews about this book and feedback about this book. So you can go and check out this book. I have given the links in the description section, so you can check this out. Okay. Now I am moving into the formula for availability. So how you can calculate the availability? So availability is nothing but available time divided by total time. Available time is equal to 420 minutes divided by total time 480. That will give you the availability. So that is the availability. That is how you can calculate availability. Now, performance loss, performance efficiency. So performance efficiency is nothing but productive time divided by running time. So productive time is equal to what? Running time minus performance loss time. So running time minus performance loss time divided by running time, that is equal to your performance efficiency. Okay. So now we need to understand the quality efficiency. So quality efficiency is nothing but effective time divided by productive time. So effective time is what? It is the productive time minus quality loss time. So productive time minus quality loss time divided by productive time, that will give you the quality efficiency. That is how you can calculate quality efficiency. Now, we need to understand the two terminologies that I have already explained earlier, but I have not mentioned clearly. Now I will mention it now. That is the performance loss time. What is the fundamentals of performance loss time? So performance loss time basically shows the speed related issues due to some slow cycle time or minor stoppages or reduced operating speed. If you can, if you perform to its full potential, you can produce suppose 10 components in 420 minutes, but you have actually produced 5 components. So there is some operating speed. You have reduced your operating speed. It has not performed to 100% potential. That is why you have slows down this cycle time. It should actually take 30 minutes or 1 hour, but it has taken more than that. So that is a performance loss time. That comes under performance loss time. Now, quality loss time. The time that you have taken to produce a defective components, a rejected components, or a reward components, that is basically your quality loss time. You have taken 1 hour to produce a component, but it has come as a rejected component. You have not maintained the dimension that has been given to you. So it is a rejected, or it is some rework is required. Then also it is a quality loss time. It comes under quality loss time. Okay. Now, understanding the major 16 losses, there are 16 major losses are there. These are basically breakdown losses, setup losses, tool changes losses, startup losses, minor stops, reduced speed, defects, rework, down losses, idling losses, management losses, line imbalancing, motion losses, yield losses, energy losses, and human losses. These are basically 16 major losses are there. I'll make a separate video. If you want to understand this concept of 16 major losses, I will explain all these major losses in detail. Okay, I'm planning to do that, a separate video for this. So I will explain there in details all these losses. But as of now, you just need to understand these are the 16 major losses involved for the journey of OE calculation. Okay. Now, we need to understand the history of OE. So OE basically originated from TPM, Total Productive Maintenance, developed by the Japanese manufacturing industry. Seiichi Nakashima introduced the concept of OE as a core TPM metric to measure the manufacturing effectiveness. Now, OE support basically Lean Six Sigma by eliminating the waste and improving the process performance. Now, final takeaway, OE is not just a metric. It is a powerful improvement tool for achieving the world-class manufacturing performance because it helps you to find out the hidden enemies, which is basically restricting you to perform to its full potential so that you can improve your performance, improve your efficiency and productivity. Okay. So that basically done by OE. So that is a key performance indicator for the manufacturing department. Now, So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video, and comment your thoughts on OE. Whatever you learned today, share your experience. I know you have learned something new and different, so share your experience in the comments below, and so that we get motivated from your comments. Okay, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful content. You can also join our WhatsApp community to get free updates on listener tools and techniques, everything for free. You can learn and master Lean Six Sigma from our community itself for free. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being part of this journey with the Lean Six Sigma world. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.